So let's join our hands. Close our eyes. Bring that energy in ourselves. And focus to the present moment. Take a deep breath in and out. Take one more deep breath. And release. Take one more deep breath. And release. Thank you, universe, for this divine time. Thank you, universe, for the divine, beautiful nature. Thank you for this amazing morning. Thank you for giving us the courage to get up early and do our practices of gratitude. Thank you to the magic book, the Science of Getting Rich book, Mirror book, the books, the authors who brought such good knowledge to us by helping us to know how to live a joyful life. Thank you to all the people who contributed in making our life more better. Thank you for my good health. Thank you for the robust energy which I'm getting day by day. Thank you for the energy. Thank you for my lovely body. Thank you for my intelligent brain, which wakes me up in the morning that I need to do my gratitude practices and tells me at night that I need to sleep with gratitude. Thank you, universe, for all the abundance that is flowing, the happiness within me, the money, the gifts. My relationships are improving. My health is improving. Thank you. Thank you for all that you're giving me. Thank you. Thank you for making me a channel of blessings. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. You can open your eyes. So, how was the day yesterday? Any results? Any sharings happening? Please share any good things. Yes? At least share your feelings. How are you feeling? After the practices today, we are on the last chapter of this book, which is just a summary. I mean, yes? Anything? Nothing? Okay, so we'll start our session.
So I have to share.
Yes, Manju ma'am. Sorry, Mangal ma'am, please tell me.
I have a great feeling basically. Well, like, see, the certain way I didn't get it that time, whenever it starts. When you get into that, then you understand what is a certain way to become a rich. And that certain ways makes open up. See how, what else you can do it? What else you can do it? It is not so easy, basically. When you understand what is, how it is going to be happen. then you put it into paper, and you are going to do the things according to that. That certain way I like it. According to like getting rich. How it is like, I am rich, I am rich. It is not like that. You have to make a plan. You have to do the things according to that, and it has to be consistency. You cannot do it like कि आज किया कल नहीं. You have to be in a consistent in that way, and then your whatever the dream is going to be successful. So that thing I like it. Whenever I did read, no, so it is a certain way. It is a certain way. It clicks in my mind. Yeah, there is a certain way. You cannot go haphazardly. You have to plan it, and according to that, you have to achieve your goal. That
Very
I liked it.
great. See, that is the way. Certain way means there is a way of, there is a science. See here, he has given the book name only as the science of getting rich. You know, when we apply science to our daily life also, we are applying science every day in our daily life, whether you were taught in the school or no. We learned right from right childhood from our parents also the science of applying how to pack your bag, how to think, how to sharpen your pencil, how to do this. All science was there. Remember this. All these things also have science. So there is a science of doing each and every way. Whatever you want, there is a way. So that is what he is discussing. So in the today's chapter also, there is a summary. Please note down the important points. What again, everything is covered in this chapter. What Mangal ma'am told just now, there is a certain way. So this is the chapter summary of the science of getting rich. So he's saying there is a thinking stuff from which all things are made, and which in its original state permeates, penetrates, and fills the interspaces of the universe. So there is a thinking stuff, means what? Thought, your thought, okay, from which the things are made, and in which in its original state permeates, penetrates. The moment you make it in your mind, the image, it penetrates and it fills the interspaces of the universe. So there are spaces in between in your mind also and in the universe जो खाली है अभी भी. Okay, we say there is abundance, right? There is abundance. अभी अगर आपका ब्रेन एग्जाम्पल लेते हो तो आपके ब्रेन के अंदर भी there is space, right? आपके ब्रेन के अंदर भी देयर इज स्पेस, एम्प्टी स्पेस, और उसमें हम क्या भरते हैं? क्या भरते हैं हम लोग? बोलो बोलो, भी इंटरैक्टिव.
Thinking.
क्या भरते हैं हम?
Negative thinking,
Positive,
basically.
negative thinking.
Yes, positive, negative thinking. So see, thoughts are positive also and negative also, right? तो दोनों ही चलते हैं हमारे ब्रेन में, बट हम स्पेस किसको ज्यादा देते हैं? नेगेटिव थिंकिंग. वी आर फिलिंग अ स्पेस विथ नेगेटिव थिंकिंग. थोड़ा सा कुछ हुआ कि आवर माइंड स्टार्ट्स इमीडिएटली, हमारी स्टोरी बिल्डअप हो जाती है उसके अराउंड. अरे कार ब्रेक डाउन हो गई, चलो एग्जाम्पल. अब मैं लेट पहुंचूंगी, आई विल बिकम लेट टू द ऑफिस. अरे बॉस मुझे चिल्लाएगा. अरे मेरा ये काम रह जाएगा. ओके, अभी मुझे गैरेज वाले को बुलाना पड़ेगा. तो इंस्टेड ऑफ thinking ki what I can stop the car, leave the car for there only, lock it somewhere, put it in the parking area of someone, and then just take a rick and move ahead. Instead of removing a solution, we just go to the story. एंड फिर वो स्टोरी जो हम बिल्ड करते हैं ना, हमारे जो सिचुएशन हुई रहती है, उसको हम पूरा टाइम वरी एंजाइटी में लेके जाते हैं. वी कीप ऑन वरिंग अबाउट दैट कि हाउ विल आई डू, व्हाट विल आई डू. आई हैव सीन some people who when they come into such problems, they will just stand like that and they'll, अब मैं क्या करूंगी, अब मैं क्या करूंगी, अब मैं क्या करूंगी. आई हैव सीन those type of panicky people also, कि जो ऐसा बोलते अब मैं क्या करूंगी. अरे instead of getting panic, think what I can do. The solution lies in that. So a thought in this substance produces the thing that is imaged by the thought. अगर आप बोलोगे you are not good enough, you're not good enough. If you say I am the best, I can do everything, you will see you are bringing those things in your life. So that is what he's saying. A thought in this substance produces the thing that is imaged by the thought. So if you say I'm a big businessman, and you keep on saying to yourself, and you start visualizing yourself that I'm a big businessman, maybe 2 months, maybe 3 months, maybe 6 months, maybe 1 year. But you will start seeing yourself that way. You will start taking some actions because now you have already put it in your mind. आपने उसका image जब आप memory में डाल देते हो, तो memory feels this is real now. This is real. So I have to create this. So it makes you take those type of actions. I said this is a whole mind game. आपका mind जितना mindset आप change करोगे, you can immediately get what you want. And gratitude. So man can form things in his thought, and by impressing his thought upon formless substance can cause, these are all summary, these are all things of all the chapters. Man can form things in his thought, and by impressing his thought upon the formless substance can cause the thing he thinks about to be created. So if anyone wants any dream, you can first think, have a clarity. अब मुझे बिजनेसमैन बनना है, बट मेरे अंदर वो स्किल ही नहीं है. डू यू थिंक आई विल बिकम? नो. I told you the example कि many people when I retired said to, I was watching lots of reels of those people who was selling online, So the ladies who are doing online selling, I started watching the reels. I could understand most of the materials and all, and many friends of mine, "ए तू यार तू start कर सकती है, तू start कर सकती है. Why don't you think of this business?" But I know I don't have that skill. I might be good at understanding cloth. I might be knowing many things now. Unless I really take interest कि हाँ यार मुझे कपड़े का business start करना है. And then I think upon it, and then I start learning those type of skills. I go and meet vendors who let me know about the different cloths available, and I understand the materials, and then I start my business, right? Then I can say ki yes, I am good at it. I know one lady very well for whom I used to purchase a lot. She was working in a corporate sector, and in 2020, she left her job, and she's doing very well in cotton online selling. She is doing very well. She did not have any experience, but she started working on it. But inside somewhere, she had a passion कि यार मैं ऐसे business woman बनूंगी. So if I don't have that passion, okay, do you think I will be able to run a cloth business online also? No, because I am not interested in that. Even if I learn the skill, maybe I might do well, but I might not be happy also internally because that is not my forte, right? That is not my genre. So how am I going to move ahead? Unless I know myself properly कि मेरे अंदर talent क्या है, right? Now, if someone tells me give tuitions, don't you think I will be more better in giving that? Because I have been in the education field and I know better my skills. I know the way I can teach children. Okay, so maybe I can do more better in that. Chalo coaching class start kar lo Maria. So I will be able to do more better. So that way he's saying that man can form things in his thought first, and by impressing his thought upon the formless, means which you have not seen in the physical reality, but अगर आप आपके mind में already वो चीज तक पहुंच जाते हो कि yes, I'm a very big businessman or a businesswoman, जो आपको चाहिए, then you can, or if you have any travel plans and you already start thinking that I've reached that place, I'm enjoying that place, so you have created a memory of that. आपने एक visualization करके image बना लिया है. Then it will not take time to come into reality. That is what it is saying, that can cause the thing he thinks about to be created. In order to do this, man must pass from the competitive to creative mind. Yeah, from 2-3 chapters we are learning this कि हमको दूसरे किसी के साथ में कंपटीशन नहीं करना कि he is doing well, she is doing well, he is very good in this, why I'm not able to do. If you really want your dream to get completed, whatever you want, that should come out of love, passion. You should feel interested in that. And you will see that, and you're not competing with anyone just because other person has that much money, or other person is doing this business very well, or other person is very good at this. I'm not going to look at that and do. आप अपनी कैपेबिलिटीज देखो, आप आपकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज देखो कि हाउ रिस्पॉन्सिबल यू आर इन दैट एरिया. Will you be able to pick up those skills and continue in that line? ये ध्यान करना है. तो ही सिंग डू नॉट गो इनटू द बिकॉज जब हम कंपटीशन करके हम कोई चीज हासिल भी कर ले, मैं कंपटीशन करके मैं आगे बढ़ूंगा, हम कर भी लेते हैं ना, that is not the real winning, because afterwards you might fall again because you have not created it from your own plane. It is just because you wanted to compete the other person. Okay. So otherwise he cannot. अगर मैं सोचती हूँ अरे यार Manju is very good in travel agency and Dr. Mangal is very good in this, she is very good in, मैं भी डॉक्टर बन जाती हूँ. Can I do it? No, I cannot do it because it is not possible. Just because other person has done that. अरे वो बीए, उसने बीए लिया है, उसने ये लिया है, I will also take that line. No. How, in what you are interested, in what you want to become, what is necessary for your field, that is more important. Otherwise he cannot be in harmony with the formless intelligence, which is always creative and never competitive in the spirit. So he's saying ki in order to do, in order to complete your dream, in order to become rich, you should not compete with others. It should be that this is my need, this is what I want. जब आपका dream आपके end से आता है कि yes, this is my dream, I want money for myself. I want to look into my family's needs. I want to take my children to the travel destination. I want to have money for their education. I want money for, for their better future, for medical expenses, for my own, for my family, right? Then you are creating something, that is, then you can say, yes, I really want money. But money for what? For my own needs, for my own good lifestyle. And having good lifestyle is not bad. Becoming rich is not bad. You can become rich. That is what is saying there. It is not bad. Many people say, no, you should not become rich. आप पैसों से ये हो जाते. That is what he's trying to explain. So man may be into full harmony with the formless substance by entertaining a lively and a sincere gratitude for blessing it bestows upon him. So he's saying that man can come into full harmony. You can be at peace. What is the formless substance? जो चीज अभी तक बनी नहीं है, या भगवान, यूनिवर्स, जो आपकी चीज क्रिएट, जो आपका ड्रीम क्रिएट करने वाला है. If you remain in gratitude and if you keep on blessing your dream, जो भी आपका ड्रीम है, आपको दवाखाना खोलना है, आपको हॉस्पिटल बनाना है, आपको बिजनेस वुमन बनना है, आपको प्रमोशन चाहिए, whatever your dream is, but if you start blessing, okay, start blessing it, bestows upon you, will see you will have great, वो बोलते हैं ना, result immediately start होता है. Gratitude unifies the mind of the man with the intelligence of the substance. Okay, अगर आप ऐसा बोलोगे मैं सिर्फ मेरी, I am very smart, I am powerful, I am this and I can do anything, that is not going to help you. But if you are with gratitude, it unifies the mind, okay, of the man. What does that mean? Unifies the mind of man. What will this mean? Gratitude unifies the mind of the man with the intelligence of the substance. What do you feel this sentence is saying? आपके मन में क्या आ रहा है?
Brings it in
Gratitude
sync
is-
with the universe.
Yes, Prashant ji?
It brings your mind in sync with the universe.
Yes,
or
you,
creating it.
your mind, your body, you start syncing with the universe. So you yourself will start getting more creative ideas. You will yourself start getting what I need to do for my dreams, Even, there are sometimes, when my health really goes down, when I lie down, I just ask, universe, you tell me what shall I do? And moment in the morning, yes, my daughter will say, Mommy, you should show to the doctor. Now this is more than enough. This is what? Universe gave you guidance. Okay, that yes, now it's been a long time because I asked at night before sleeping. So whatever your dream is, if you feel your dream is not getting fulfilled, question to God at night. Ask God, कि what shall I do to complete my dream? Mira, what should I do, to that my dream gets fulfilled? You guide me. I surrender to you. Talk to God like that. I surrender to you my dreams. You tell me what I need to do. So, you will start getting, maybe you'll meet some people, who will help you take that action. You will start getting ideas what I need to do. Right? That is how it unifies the mind. Man can remain upon creative plane only by uniting himself with the formless intelligence through a deep and continuous feeling of gratitude. So if you are in gratitude, you are connected with the universe or God, whatever you say. Man must form a clear and a definite mental image of the things he wishes to have, to do, or to become. We have discussed this. Having, doing, and being. Three different things a man works from through that. ये मैंने mirror work में भी बोला था मंजू मैम, if you remember, to have, to do, and to become. Man must have form a clear and a definite mental image of the things he wishes to have. Okay, why do you want? Like मैंने ये मुझे ये चाहिए. To do, आप उसके लिए क्या कर रहे हो? To become, आप क्या बनना चाहते हो? Being में आप क्या कर रहे हो उसके लिए? If you are a human being, what are you doing? Okay, and he must hold his mental image in his thoughts. ऐसा नहीं कि सिर्फ मुझे चाहिए, मुझे सिर्फ बिजनेसमैन बनना. I really want more money. I want promotion. अरे but promotion to what? Designation. In that promotion, what responsibilities you want to do? ऐसा नहीं हो कि आपको promotion मिले और फिर वो बॉस आपको 12 घंटे काम करवा रहा है. Are you ready for it? No. So you have to be very, very clear. What do you want to do? What are you doing? So that is having, doing, and being. Okay. Become means being. आप क्या बनना चाहते हो? आप being में क्या काम करते हो उसके लिए? And he must hold his mental image in his thought while being deeply grateful to the Supreme that all his desires are granted to him. So beforehand, you become thankful. Yes, I have the clarity. This is what I want, and for what I want, and what I'm going to do for it. So the man who wishes to get riches must spend his leisure hours in contemplating his vision and in the earnest thanksgiving that the reality is being given to him. So the man who wishes to get rich, अगर आप rich बनना चाहते हो और अगर आप पूरा टाइम टीवी के सामने बैठे हो, मैं काम से आया, मैं बहुत थक गया हूँ, I will sit and watch TV. Do you think you will become rich? No. So the man who wishes to get rich must spend his leisure hours in contemplating his vision. मेरा vision है कि मैं आगे 6 महीने के अंदर ये वाला workshops करूं. मेरा ये विजन है कि मैं 6 महीने के अंदर मुझे प्रमोशन मिले. Right? So you have a vision. Now, once you have the vision, you should start being thankful, right? Continuous gratitude. सिर्फ लिखना नहीं है, feel भी करना है. Feel करो that you have already reached. You have already reached there. And you are already giving thank you to God. कि यार thank you, तूने मुझे इतने सारे पैसे दे दिए. Suppose you wanted 1 lakh per month. So thank you God, you have given me 1 lakh. Thank you, because of this 1 lakh from 20,000, I'm able to pay my rent. यार 15,000 मेरा घर के खर्च में निकाल पाता. Wow, very good. 10,000 I'm keeping every month aside now for, so that I can take my family or my children for traveling. And 20,000 I'm keeping separately so that, I am able to collect fees for my children. This is how you have to keep on visualizing and keep on telling, to God, this is what you're going to do with that money. If you have a vision of getting money, if you have a vision of, कि अगर मुझे प्रमोशन चाहिए तो मैं प्रमोशन पाने के बाद मैं क्या क्या करूंगी, राइट? वाओ, मेरे पास नीचे टीम रहेगी. I will be also guiding that team. I will also try to bring that team up. I will also tell them about gratitude. I will also bring them up. I will also guide them, on the personal level. आप ये सब चीजें बोलोगे ना कि प्रमोशन होने के बाद you will get more places to travel, you will be meeting people. आप ज्यादा मीटिंग्स कंडक्ट करोगे, तो आप क्या क्या करने वाले हो उस चीज के बाद. If I have a dream of opening my own clinic, or if I want more पेशेंट्स ज्यादा आएंगे, तो मैं उनको क्या करूंगी? मैं उनको हील करूंगी, राइट? आई विल ब्रिंग देम इनटू ग्रैटिट्यूड. आई विल गेट मोर मनी. दैट इज ऑल्सो वन क्राइटेरिया फॉर मी. है ना आपके लिए? तो बोलो भगवान को कि यस, मेरे पास, मुझे क्राइटेरिया कि मेरे पास ज्यादा पैसा आएगा, और मेरे पास ज्यादा पैसा आएगा तो मैं और अच्छी मशीन्स लाऊंगी मेरे हॉस्पिटल में. आई विल हायर मोर पीपल, यू नो हु आर टेकिंग केयर ऑफ द पेशेंट्स. तो आपको ये सब चीजें बोलना है कि what you really want. So too much stress cannot be laid on the importance of frequent contemplation of the mental image coupled with unwavering faith. But अगर आप हमेशा स्ट्रेस में, अरे मेरा मेरा तो, मैंने इतना सपना लिखा, मैंने तो इतना ग्रेटिट्यूड लिखा, बट नहीं हुआ, and you are not having faith. Because if you don't have faith, we said कि believe, thought, then believe and faith, purpose. In this book we learned कि एक पर्पस होना चाहिए आपके इसके आप. That is why we say कि write down dream and write down why you want that dream, right? अब कोई अरे गहरे ने मुझे बोल दिया कि यार मारिया तू ऑनलाइन बिजनेस कपड़े का स्टार्ट कर सकती है, तो नो, दैट इज नॉट माई ड्रीम. भाई मुझे क्यों चालू करना है? अगर मैं अगर कपड़े का बिजनेस भी चालू करूंगी तो मुझे क्यों करना है? मुझे पैसा चाहिए. मुझे क्या चाहिए उसमें से? Will I feel satisfied after doing that business? That is also very important. So that you should be very clear. So that is saying the process by which the impression is given to the formless creative forces set in motion. So the moment you have in your mind and you formless को आप फॉर्म में लाते हो, your understanding, आप mental image में ही जो चीज अभी आपकी ड्रीम रियल हुई नहीं है, but I've already started seeing myself कि I've reached Singapore and I'm enjoying there, or you have Andaman Islands, so I've reached that island, I'm in these clothes and I'm enjoying on the beach. You have created your dream. So he's saying the creative energy works through the established channels of natural growth and the industrial. This is about the social thing he's saying. So what he's saying, what he wants will come to him through the ways of established trade and commerce, talking about the business during that time. So in order to receive his own, when it shall come to him, man must be active. And this activity can only consist in more than filling his present place. So in whatever present place, in whatever present job you are, उसमें चोरी मत करो. उसमें चोरी मत करो. आप जो भी अभी कर रहे हो मन से करो. जो भी काम कर रहे हो एट प्रेजेंट मोमेंट, in whatever situation you are in, whatever job you are in, अगर if you are home maker also, be very very grateful कि यार हाँ मुझे ये काम करना है, मन से खाना बनाना है फैमिली के लिए. So here he is saying कि you have to have that in your mindset कि मैं जो भी अभी कर रहा हूँ that should be done with complete 100%. अरे यार मेरा तो बॉस मुझे सिर्फ 20,000 देता है, मैं क्यों इतना टाइम काम करूं? ये मन में नहीं आना चाहिए. एंड व्हेन यू आर वर्किंग यू शुड नॉट बी ऑन द फोन टॉकिंग टू अदर पीपल, वेस्टिंग टाइम. He must keep in mind the purpose to get rich through the realization of his mental image, and he must do every day all that he can be done by taking care to do each act in successful manner. He must give to every man a use value in excess of cash value. Okay, he receives. तो अगर हम किसी के साथ काम कर रहे हैं या हम किसी को काम करवा रहे हैं अपने नीचे, तो हमको उसका जो मुबदला होता है ना, you have to give the money, that proper compensation, proper salary. If you are hiring some people also under your this thing, that is what he's saying. So the men and the women who practice the foregoing instructions will certainly get rich, and the riches they receive will be in exact proportion to the definiteness of their vision, the fixity of their purpose, the steadiness of their faith, and the depth of gratitude. See, very important sentences. Here is saying the people who practice, will definitely get rich if they do their in the proportion, in exact proportion to the definite. So the more gratitude, the more visualization, the more you will get. If you do half an hour practice, you will get half an hour results. If you do 2 hours practice, you will get 2 hours results. If you faster, if you want more faster, you will have to do more hours. Okay. So instruction, he's saying that you will get an exact proportion, how much time you have visualized, the fixity, what purpose you want, steadiness of the faith, and how much faith you have for the gratitude. Okay. So this is what the chapter ends here. This is just about the copying of this. So understand this main summary was thought. There's a science. So first is आपको जो भी चाहिए उसको आप thought certainty में लिखो कि यार I want this. Then why you want that, उसका purpose भी लिखो. फिर faith रखो that you are going to get. उसके साथ एक purpose जोड़ो. जब तक आप purpose नहीं जोड़ोगे ना, you should be very clear. If you want more money every month, I should be having this much money. Why you want that money should very clear. Sorry. If you want, any dream of going to travel dream, why you want to go to travel? Right? Why you want to go to travel? एक ड्रीम होता है ना कि चलो मुझे सिंगापुर ही देखना है या मुझे पेरिस ही देखना है. तो पेरिस में ऐसा क्या है, मुझे पेरिस ही जाना है. So if you have written in your dream, I want to travel to Paris, why you want to go to Paris? Right? तो ये clarity बहुत होनी चाहिए आपको. Clarity should be there. And have faith that yes, it is going to come to you. It is going to come to you. कुछ नहीं, मॉर्निंग में इतना ही टाइम मिलता है, रात में लिखने की कोशिश करो एटलीस्ट 15 minutes. व्हाट आई सेड, इफ यू आर वर्किंग एंड यू फील यू आर नॉट एबल टू गिव टाइम, अब आप खुद का टाइम देखो आने के बाद आप क्या करते हो. दैट इज व्हाई दैट डे आई वाज टेलिंग यू नो वन मेड, आई सेड मेक अ टाइम टेबल कि आप दिन में, like if you get up at 5 o'clock or you get up at 5:30, whatever timing yours is, आप उस टाइम से लेके like 5:30 I got up, मैं मेरा I brush my teeth, I have 1 cup of water or whatever, a glass of water, 2 glasses of water, whatever you do. आप उसके बाद क्या करते हो, प्रेयर करते हो, जो भी करते हो, या नहाते हो, जो भी, यानी ब्रेकफास्ट का टाइम क्या होता है. फिर 6 बजे हम 6:15 हम क्लास में बैठते हैं, तो 6:15 से 7:30 हमारी क्लास होती है. क्लास के बाद मैं क्या करती हूँ, मैं नहाने को जाती हूँ, या फिर मैं उसके बाद फिर प्रे करती हूँ, भगवान के मंदिर में दिया जलाती हूँ. देन आई गो एंड ड्रेस अप, देन आई गो टू द ऑफिस. जो भी आप करते हो आप लिख के लो. पूरे दिन में आने के बाद आप क्या करते हो, एट व्हाट टाइम यू डू व्हाट, यू विल सी दैट आप कहाँ कहाँ पे टाइम वेस्ट कर रहे हो ना, आपको वो भी समझ में आएगा. एंड दैट टाइम यू आर गोइंग टू फिल इन फॉर योर ग्रैटिट्यूड. आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट यू डोंट वॉच टीवी और you don't do anything, only don't enjoy yourself. You can enjoy yourself, बट आप देखो जो बोलते हैं ना मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है, जब आप ये सब लिखोगे ना आपको ध्यान में आएगा कि आपने 15 मिनट किसके साथ में फालतू के गॉसिप में बात करने में, फोन पे उनके साथ में कितना टाइम स्पेंड किया. You will recall that also. So try to find out for yourself. Okay. Let's write gratitude. Chalo. 5 for mommy, 5 for papa. Today we will write on relationships. We have not covered relationship from a long time. So let's write for relationship and then we'll go for meditation. Okay. How was the meditation? Are you feeling nice with the meditation if I do it every day?
Yes, ma'am. It was good, but the music was loud and background में आप क्या बोल रहे थे वो सुनाई नहीं दे रहा
नहीं
था.
दे. एक्चुअली मेरे लैपटॉप में कल भी कुछ, आई वाज ट्राइंग टुडे आल्सो, आई होप टुडे इट वर्क्स, आई एम जस्ट प्रेइंग बिकॉज कुछ तो भी इशू हो रहा था. सो नाइट आल्सो आई वाज जस्ट ट्राइंग कि व्हाई इट्स नॉट ओपनिंग, बिकॉज जो म्यूजिक, फिर मैं स्लो, आई यस्टरडे आई ओपनड इट अगेन ऑन गूगल ना, देन मैंने डायरेक्ट यूट्यूब से फिर म्यूजिक किया था उसको. सो जस्ट प्रेइंग टुडे कि इट वर्क्स वेल. लेट मी सी, आई विल मेक द म्यूजिक लिटिल लेस. So let me know, like that, if anything is happening. Yesterday, did you all write? Did you complete May month? Sorry, April month, whatever was there, I said completed.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
हमको क्या क्या मिला अप्रैल के मंथ में, you should write the gratitude, okay? So I am truly grateful to my mummy. 5 will write for mummy, 5 will write for papa today. Because you gave me good, healthy food when I became 6 to 7 months old. I am truly grateful to mummy. आपकी मम्मी ने कुछ ऐसा खाना दिया होगा बचपन में आपको बना के, because till 1 year we are not able to eat properly, we are teething. So see, if you can remember, at least write 5 कि आपकी मम्मी ने आपको क्या क्या खाना बना के दिया. सूप दिया होगा, सूप रोटी मैश करके दिया होगा, या घी में रोटी मैश करके दी गई होगी, right? Because you fed me with mashed ghee roti. I'm truly grateful to mummy because you made that soft khichdi and fed me. I am truly, smile करके लिखो, feel करके लिखो, to my mummy because you made that soft shira for me so that I enjoy different foods. I am truly grateful to me because you fed me with Bournvita milk when I was growing up. आपको बॉर्नवीटा, हॉर्लिक्स, देखो आपकी मम्मी ने क्या दिया था आपको. Gratitude for Papa. Then now we'll write for Daddy. 5 भी लिखेंगे ताकि हम आगे थोड़ा relationships को cover कर पाए. So that by 7:15 we are back into meditation. So I'm truly grateful to my daddy because you want. देखो आपके डैडी क्या लेके आते थे आपके लिए अच्छी अच्छी खाने की चीजें. Okay, think today only about food. डैडी ने भी कुछ ला के दिया होगा बचपन में, टीनी मिनी लॉलीपॉप, या फिर कोई पेस्ट्री आपको अच्छी लगती होगी, तो डैडी ने वो लाके दिया होगा। फिर जब आप बड़े हो रहे थे तो कचौरी लाके दी होगी, समोसा लाके दिया होगा, या बासुंदी खिलाई होगी, कुल्फी खिलाई होगी, राइट, भेल खिलाते थे, जामुन लाते थे, काली मैना लाते थे। तो यू थिंक वॉट एवर इज कमिंग टू योर माइंड, पहले कितना लोकल फूड मिलता था ना, such nice food used to get. I'm just remembering Kali Maina and all that, that bear. And ladies used to come, with that potli on the head, with that tokri, door to door selling. And it was so nice to have good and fresh food. Truly grateful to my daddy because he always bought that teeny meeny for me. I am truly grateful to my daddy because he bought Peru for me because I liked it. I am truly grateful to my daddy because you bought coffee for me when I demanded in summer. I am truly grateful to my daddy because you bought that बर्फ का गोला, गोला खाते थे हम, बर्फ का गोला in summer vacation when we all sisters got together. Done 5 for both. Let me know then if you're done. Keep your hand on your heart and feel your mummy and papa sitting right in front of you. And you're just telling them thank you. दिल से thank you. Thank you, मम्मी पापा. आपने मेरी हर डिमांड को पूरा किया है. मेरी हर छोटी छोटी चीज जो मुझे हेल्थ लाती, उस टाइप की चीजें मुझे खिलाई है. थैंक यू मम्मी. Thank you for making all that delicious food for me. Thank you for that Bournvita milk. वो शीरा जो आपने मुझे खिलाया. आप आपका विचार करो, आपने जो भी लिखा. Thank you, mommy, for making all different things for me and feeding me with your hand. And making a point that I eat and remain healthy. How nice of you to think that I should remain healthy and feed me. Thank you, Papa. Thank you, Daddy, for all that you have done for me, for getting all the things which I liked. The moment I said I like kulfi, next day you bought kulfi for me. That baraf ka gola, that ice creams, that basundi, and that teeny weeny. Every night when you went, you got for me something. Thank you, Daddy ji. Thank you. Thank you for bringing all the things which I like. And thank you for fulfilling my wish. Thank you, Mommy, Daddy. दिल से शुक्रिया मेरी हर उस चीज डिमांड पूरी करने के लिए, मुझे हेल्दी और ऐसी चीजें खिलाने के लिए जो मुझे पसंद थी। थैंक यू, मुझे टोका नहीं आपने, बट मुझे हर उस चीज को खिलाया जो मेरा मन करता था। मेरे मन को सेटिस्फाई करने के लिए आपने जो भी किया, उसके लिए दिल से शुक्रिया, दिल से शुक्रिया, दिल से शुक्रिया मम्मी, दिल से शुक्रिया डैडी। And open your eyes. So today we are going to write gratitude for your spouse, whether they're alive, dead, whatever it is, for your spouse. Now, Manju ma'am, you can write for one of your friend. Okay. So Prashantji, you can write for your wife. Mangal ma'am, you're going to write for your husband. Whatever is there. Whatever. So I am grateful. Write your spouse name. So whether, they are there in this world or not, you can still write. Because you took me to different restaurants to eat food. I am grateful to Shabir because you took care of me during my pregnancy. आपको जो आपके हस्बैंड करते हैं ना, आप वो लिखोगे या आपकी वाइफ के लिए लिखोगे? Gratitude for your wife for all the things what you feel you should be grateful for. Write at least 5 to 7 gratitude. So I am thankful or grateful. Smile and write and see your spouse in front of you. Smile नहीं भूलना है। जो भी उन्होंने आपके लिए करते हैं, खाना बनाते हैं, टिफिन पैक करते हैं, दे टेक केयर ऑफ योर क्लोथ्स और दे टेक यू आउट, आपको डिनर के लिए किधर बाहर लेके जाते हैं, द स्मॉलेस्ट थिंग, मेकिंग अ कप ऑफ कॉफी फॉर यू, आज चाय बना देता हूं मैं या मैं चाय बना देती हूँ आपको. So you see the smallest things in your spouse and be grateful and happy for it and just be right gratitude. I'm writing for whatever my husband did for me, and all the good things. जो भी आपका स्पाउस आपके लिए करता है, लिखो कि आपका स्पाउस आपके लिए जो भी छोटी छोटी चीजें करता है, या maybe they take care of the kids and you at least then you don't have to look into, so at least कुछ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी उठा रहे हैं ना. Maybe they do the cooking for you, they pack your tiffin, okay. They remind you to eat your medicines, they remind you that you should go and do exercise. तो ये भी तो ग्रेट, यू हैव टू बी ग्रेटफुल फॉर ऑल दीज थिंग्स ऑल्सो ना. कभी कभी हम भूल जाते हैं, वो बोलते हैं अरे दवाई ले लो, ये कर लो, एक्सरसाइज कर लो. जो भी आपको वैसा अच्छा लगता है लिखो. 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 जितने लिख सकते हो लिखो. We have more 5 minutes. Just write more 2, 3 because I will be taking today for children also. Gratitude. Just say thank you. Keep your hand on your heart and just say thank you to your spouse for all the things. जो भी आपके हस्बैंड, आपके वाइफ, उनका नाम लो. उनका नाम लेके उनको बोलो थैंक यू फॉर बीइंग इन माय लाइफ, थैंक यू फॉर हेल्पिंग मी और वॉट एवर दे डू फॉर यू. Thank you for looking after my all the small things. Thank you for looking into my demands. Thank you for taking care of me. Thank you for cooking, for planning the day. Thank you for spending time or giving me the time. Thank you for the good moments you spend with me. We'll say thank you, Guru, and feel happy when you're saying thank you. Open your eyes. Write today for your first child. Grade 5 gratitude for your first child. How many children you have? Come on, tell me.
2.
2. Okay. सो आप मंगल मैम एक है तो एक के लिए लिखोगे, आपके दो है तो आप दो के लिए लिखोगे. ओके, 5 फॉर द फर्स्ट वन, 5 फॉर द सेकंड वन. इवन इफ दे आर स्मॉल, smallest things what they do for you, the way they help you, the way they give you happiness, you know, where you feel proud, right? Thank you for that. Manju ma'am, for your friends children you can write those two
I
cuties.
was just writing that only, ma'am. See, we forget our children. There are important parts. So format can be same, or thank you, Sakina, or thank you, Sen, for being so cute child. Thank you for being helpful, you know. Thank you for being, you can just write that also. Maybe your children give you emotional support. You can write that. At least 5 likho, chalo. Then we'll go for meditation. They gave you the chance of becoming parents, so be thankful for that. They chose you as parents. Remember, we choose our parents. Thank you, Sakina. Making my life easy. And yesterday, ka one incident, 3 days back, my son is going out of town. So my daughter sent suitcase. Okay, from there, the bigger one. She couriered it. And one fellow, he ran away with that, the courier delivery fellow. And I was just doing Ho'oponopono, though the courier people said that if we do not find it, it is seen in the camera that he took it out. It has reached Pune and he took it out. But why it has not reached your place, we are not understanding. So we are trying our level best to connect with him. And if we do not find it, we will compensate for you. And I was just doing Ho'oponopono yesterday. My son is telling, अरे वो अपने को पैसे देंगे, मम्मी अपन नया सूटकेस लेके आएंगे. And you won't imagine that fellow, he rang up at 3 o'clock saying that we have found your suitcase and we are doing the photo. And they did the portrait right till at home, you know, and they sent it again. It was our own only suitcase. For both the children, if you have 2 children, you write for both the children. And if you have only one, you can continue writing more, Mangal ma'am.
Same for Falcon. No. All the things. You're done?
Yes.
Just keep hand on your heart and feel your children and just say then, take their names and just say thank you for being in my life. जो भी आपके मन की इच्छा है ना आप वो बोलो. I will not say. Bless them. Give your blessings to them. Give your all good wishes to them. Feel karo ki yes and feel very thankful to them for being in your life, for doing all the smallest things for you. You can bless them. And then let's go to meditation. You can please sit down, connected to the earth. Just sit in a comfortable position. I hope you're able to see me. Yes. Just hear the music. Keep your eyes closed. I'm just trying to open. Okay. Yes, it's getting hanged. I don't know what has gone wrong. But yesterday also it was happening the same thing. Thank you. Thank you. Not supporting. Hearing नहीं हो पा रहा है. Let me know if you're able to hear the music. Give me a thumbs up. No?
No, ma'am.
I don't know what's gone wrong. It was working. I'm just...
They have the link. Maybe can we play it? Oh, it's in your
No, I
laptop, is
don't
it?
have the link. I mean, I have downloaded it on my laptop, no? So I'm trying yesterday what I did. Now I'm doing that also, but it's not working. My laptop is getting hang actually from 2 days. I don't know what's gone wrong. So I was just telling my son. Okay, let me see if I can add from the Google again and just let me know if you hear the sound, okay? Are you able to hear the sound?
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in. And out. Take one more deep breath. And out. One more deep breath. Bring your focus between your two eyebrows. Relax your crown chakra. Look at your face muscles. Let them relax. Focus on your chest. Your shoulders, keep them relaxed. Look at your stomach. Normal breathing. In and out. Focus on your thighs. Are they relaxed? Take your attention to your calf muscles, your ankles, your feet. Relax. Feel that your spine is straight. In another 2 seconds, just focus on your breathing. Bring your attention under your nose. Out. One deep breath. In. inside your eyelids should be looking. What is the correct position of manifestation? You are activating your brain, your mind. Even if you're getting thoughts, आने दो और जाने दो. Any type of positive, negative. Acknowledge them. Don't resist. कोई thought आती है तो आने दो. उसको acknowledge करके आने दो. Don't give power to the thoughts. It's okay to have thoughts. So just focus again on that. Whenever you go into the thoughts, bring back your attention onto your nose. Breathe. Breathe. And say to yourself, I am healthy. I am strong. I am powerful. I can do anything that I want. Everything is inside me, and I can get what I want. I am connected to my inner self. I am healthy. Feel yourself running or in the robust health, running about your household chores, running about and doing your office work. You're in the robust health with good energy. Feel that power within you. I am powerful. I can do anything. मैं जो भी करना चाहता हूँ कर सकता हूँ. मुझे जो चाहिए मैं वो पा सकता हूँ. Everything is inside me. Everything is inside me. And I am connected to my inner self. I am connected to my inner self. I am connected with the universe. I am one with the universe. I can now feel whatever I want is there in reality. Feel your dream is coming true. अपने आप को उस ड्रीम में देखो. जो भी आपका ड्रीम है, feel that dream and go inside that dream as if you have achieved it. अपने आप को देखो आप क्या कर पूरा हो चुका है, तो आप क्या कर रहे हो? बहुत मजा आ रहा है मुझे मेरी feel that happiness. Yes, my dreams will reach to where I wanted to. Say thank you to universe. Thank you, universe, for fulfilling my dream. Thank you, universe, for fulfilling my dream. Thank you, universe, for my beautiful dream. So amazing. That feeling. Your hand on your heart. Thank you, universe. Lagi saja. Yes, from the bottom of my heart. Thank you, universe, for fulfilling my dream. Slowly start feeling the environment around you. Start moving your toes a little bit, your hand fingers a little bit, and come back where you are. Now your palms, give generous amount of energy. When I count 3, you're going to keep it on your eyes. At the count of 3, you're going to open your eyes and look into your palms. Your palms on your eyes. One, two, open your eyes, but put your palms on your remain in that energy and just be thankful. And continue with this energy throughout your day. So thank you all for joining. God bless you all.
Thank you. Thank you, Mother. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
A blissful, amazing day. Thank you.
Thank you. Should I say?